Hello class, welcome to our strength training session today. In this session, we'll be doing 20 minutes of high intermediate level core muscle workout. There will be a total of 5 workouts. For each workout, we work for 30 seconds with a 30-second rest, which are repeated for 30 sets. The workout today will be focusing on your core muscle. Through high-intensive interval training model will allow us to improve both muscle strength and cardiorespiratory endurance at the same time. Before we start, please prepare your water, towel, yoga mats, and find a comfortable spot. And let's begin our session today. Let's start with our first warm-up, bird dog. Legs straight back, try not to rotate it. Extend forward and use your core up and forward. Hold your balance with your core. Remember, try not to rotate your hip. Our second warm-up is dead bug. Knees 90 degrees, both arms up. Try to extend to both sides. Breathe in, breathe out. First exercise is crunches. Lie down on yoga mats, arch your knee up, hands rest on your anterior thigh, raise your body up to touch your knee with your hands, then rest your body back down. And break. Second exercise is reverse crunches. Hand stays on two sides, feet stays together. Slowly raise your lower body up and slowly bring it back down. Ready? And go. Rest your hips on the mat when you lower your leg. And let's take a break. The third exercise is starfish crunches. Raise one arm and opposite leg up to meet in the center of the body. Slowly rest it back down and switch to the other side. If it's too difficult, instead of touching your toe, you may touch your shin or knee instead. And break. Try to stretch out your abs during the breaks. Fourth exercise is Russian twist. Sit on your yoga mats, arch your knee, hold your fist at the center of your body. Twist your body with your abs from one side to the other. Straighten your back as much as possible. And break. The last exercise is the bridge walk. Lies down on your yoga mat, hand stable your body above the side of the mat. Arch your knee and raise your hips up. Contract your abs to raise your leg up. Relax your calf. Let your abs do the work. Raise your hip instead of raise your knee. And break. And this will be our first set, with 2 more sets to go. And let's start our second set. Crunches. Hands on your thigh, tuck your chins in. And break. Next is reverse crunches. Hands stable at 2 sides. If it's too difficult, you may let your heel touch the floor slightly when you rest your leg down. Try to extend it downward. And break. Followed by is starfish crunches. We can also try to push our back off the floor when we reach up. Chin tuck in, and try not to drop your body when you lie down. and break. Next is Russian twist. Sit up and feet ready. Feet is just a support. You can rest it on a mat or raise it up in air slightly. Body slightly leaning backward. And break. Next is bridge walk. Remember to keep your hip up high. You can also use your hands as a support to keep your hips up. And break. Now is the final set. Back to crunches. Hands on your thigh and chin tuck in. Ready? And go. Hold your stomach in. And break. Next is reverse crunches. Hands on two sides, feet ready, and go. Knees slightly bent. And break. Next is starfish crunches. If you can, we can start speeding up a little bit. and rest. Followed by a Russian twist. Sit up, back straight, ready, and go. And break. Last one is bridge walk. Hips up, ready, and go. You can hold your hips up with your hands if needed. And let's start our cool down now. Our first cool down today is Sphinx pose. Hands push up to stretch out your abs. Next is child's pose. Shift your hips back to sit on your heel and arm stays on the floor. Feeling exhausted? This will be the end of our workout today. Remember to stay hydrated after working out, and we will see you in the next session.